Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair, and I have worked with them quite a few times. Guys, they sent me a whole bunch of free gifts that I really love. Like, everything was so cute. Look at this hot comb, like it's bedazzled. Like, it was so cute, and it does heat up to 450 degrees, which is really nice. It's like super cute. They sent me lashes, headbands, wig caps, and a few scarves, and also a brush. You know, you need to put makeup on your wig. They really outdid themselves with these gifts. They also sent me a robe, which was like super cute, so I switched out on mine and I just wore theirs. And guys, this is the wig. This is a 13x4 lace frontal. It is in a auburn color. It is a water wave. It is 150% density, and it is 26 inches. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I feel like I could have bleached it a little longer, but we gonna make do. I bleached it, and I also co-washed the hair. So this is what it is looking like. And guys, this hair is literally so straightforward and to the point because it's a water wave. The curls are already there. Like, it's pretty easy. So I did cut the lace off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do an install. I did do a ball cap method. I used the wig cap that came in my package, and these wig caps that they sent, they're super thin, which I love, and more skin-like than the regular wig caps. So I love that for us. And guys, I could not find my bolt holes at all, my glue. So I ended up finding a old glue that I don't even know. It's an old Ebin glue that I've had for years. I was worried it didn't really, like, you know, melt my hair is how I would have had it with the bolt hole, but I still made it work. And the shape of the unit did not match my hairline, so I did go in and I cut some out of the middle section. And don't be afraid to like cut into that lace, girl. Like, if I want it to match, I'm going to cut it to fit my head shape. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going in with two layers only, because I feel like this glue is pretty old. But I just had to make it work. And do you see how thin that wig cap is? It's really good. And this wig cap is by Unice as well. And I'm just going in using the glue, making it nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just to speed it up. And after it dries down, I will add another layer. Hair is a 13x4, guys, but it's not a lot of parting on the side. You cannot do a low side part. It has to be like a C kind of shape. You know the vibe that I did with it, a higher side part. And I'm just plucking out some of the hairs just so I can have a little bit of like baby hairs, and just to make the wig a little bit more realistic, because I did cut into the wig. So I did cut out the little front section that was kind of pre-plucked. So I have to go in and create like a hairline. This part you don't have to do necessarily. You could just like apply the wig as it came, but I wanted to make it, you know, as nice as possible, and I wanted to make it just like fit my head. So I'm just going in and I'm trying to pluck a bit off the hair just so it looks more realistic. At first I was thinking of doing a center part, but with hair like this, I love having it on the side. So I decided to do a side part, and I really love this auburn color. It's like perfect for the fall season. It's really pretty. It's like trying to do color but being safe. Like, it's out there but it's not crazy. And I feel like it will complement like everyone's like skin tone, regardless of, you know, like your shade. So right there, I was just adding extra glue because that part, you know, it didn't really stick. I told y'all my glue is old, but I made it work. And I did go in after this and use my freeze spray just to hold it down. And I parted my hair on the side, the little curve part, because it can't be straight based on how the frontal is. And I am going in, I'm plucking out way more because I have to create a hairline. And then I'm just going in with my hot comb. And after this, I literally just make my edges how I want them. And that is basically the styling of the hair. All I added was like water, and I think I added a curling serum, if I'm remembering correctly. And if you have mousse, that would be good too. You can like add mousse just to like keep the waves going. But this hair is super simple, guys, and straight to the point. If you don't like curling hair or straightening hair, then this is definitely for you. At first, when I got the hair with all the plucking and stuff, I did have a little bit of tangling, but in the end, after I added my water and I detangled, it was good. The hair is 150% density, and I thought it would have been like really like, you know, thin, but it worked out pretty well. After it dried down, I feel like it looked really, really good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If y'all like this hair, then you should definitely click the link in the description box. This is what it's looking like. It's pretty long, it's pretty nice. I love the look of it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Shout outs to Unice Hair for sponsoring this video. Yeah, guys, let me know because I feel like I slayed this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.